always play in the beginning. And we'll put on some music.
Great.
And today I will put on The Rock.
Oh my goodness.
It's bad, no? It's not my favorite music. Okay. I don't know if people can hear that. I have to check it, to be honest. Yeah. Maybe they can hear me talking. Okay. Okay, TM. Blessing, what's your opinion on this music? Every time I'm testing out another music, I know I should just like upload some other music. What is your opinion?
I know it. I think next time I should. Yeah.
I think next time you should be on the music duty. Yeah. Let's do it that way. Okay, GM everyone. This is already welcome to the Builder Showcase number 8. We are end of August, and we've seen so many projects throughout the last year growing, attending Proof of Ship, building on Cello. You can watch all of the Builder Showcases on YouTube. Make sure to follow and like all of the videos because they are amazing builders and amazing presentations and amazing videos. And we are very excited for today because a lot of projects have amazing updates, and we also have some new projects presenting today for the first time. So let's get started. Yeah, and welcome to my amazing co-host Blessing, as always here with me. And yeah, feel free to like if you have any questions, if you want to reach out to anyone, just like leave some comments. And let's get started. So today, this is our 8th Builder Showcase, and we can get started right now. Just like to kick it off, make sure to sign up for Proof of Ship 8 if you haven't yet. It will be amazing because we have, oh my god, yeah, I'm starting off before we start with this Builder Showcase. For everybody who is new, normally in the Builder Showcase, we present a lot of projects who are participating in Proof of Ship, which is our monthly builder contest. It's kind of a hackathon, but we want to incentivize you to build out your hackathon project. So it's focused on sustainable long-term building. We have builder rewards. I will share them from this month. And we also have every month different partners, different tracks. And if you participate in Proof of Ship, it's kind of like your entry level into the Cello ecosystem. You get eligible for a lot more reward streams that will help you scale your programs and projects and onboard new users. A lot of them will launch in September. Make sure to check out Cello Public Goods for that. And now I am very excited because we have 3 partners for Proof of Ship 8. And let me just share that link for you to check out all existing ongoing projects for everyone. Make sure to check this out. Cello Public Goods, they have a lot of interesting reward stream for everybody who is like considering building on Cello. Now I want to announce our first partner for Proof of Ship 8, which is kicking off next Monday on the 8th of August. You can obviously start building now. That's totally fine. And everybody who is integrating Self will get a $250 reward. Next up is ThirdWeb. I'm very excited for this one. I know a lot of our builders are already building with ThirdWeb. We have $5,000 worth in credits. We will have a starter plan for everybody who is taking part in Proof of Ship 8. So make sure to reach out. And then we will have 10 growth plans for projects that are already live on Celo and live on mainnet and would like to test out the growth plan. This will be decided by me, by the DevRel team, and will be distributed on a personal relation basis. And then the 5 top projects will receive 6 months worth of credits for the growth plan. So I think this is super interesting and worthwhile your work for everybody who is planning to go live or is already live and building with CertWeb and who is interested in, this is like $600 worth in credits for each project. So very exciting. And last, we are partnering with the Good Builders program. If you haven't checked it out yet, make sure to check out Good Dollar. They have reward streams, and everybody who is integrating with them will be eligible to apply to their program. And you will be able to, if you convince them from how serious you are about integrating them, how well you're integrating them, how many users you're onboarding, you will be able to receive part of this $42K prize pool that they will be streaming throughout the month. The earlier you apply, the higher your chances for rewards. And so very, very excited. Obviously, we want to before we start, we want to thank all the builders, thank our sponsors. Self has already sponsored Proof of Ship 7, and we will announce the winners next week of that track. And this Proof of Ship, we got 91 submissions. We had 38K transactions on Celo just from Proof of Ship projects, and already 38 projects on chain. I think that's very impressive and shows how projects can grow through taking part in Proof of Ship. And I hope a lot of you will soon graduate to higher reward programs, to receive grants, and scale even more. Very important here, make sure to check out your current positions. Reward for Proof of Ship are being distributed through the Talent Protocol Celo Builder Score rewards board. And you can see here we have John from Adsbazaar on the first position, Giluka from Three Wheeler Bike Club on the second, Jeremiah from Healfy and Contributes on the third, Lisa from Sovereignty and his new project that is called, what is it called? Snarkles. Gabriel with Bank of Celo. He onboarded 1,000 users last month, which I think is huge. Then we have Miniland, Movie Meter, Emiri from Isuzu, Isaac from Lerna, and Vladimir from Learn with Blockchain. And very, very excited for today's showcase. We have some of these top builders also presenting today. And then, just a reminder, we always, every month, we have the community votes. These will actually also count into your final position of the as always, this will count into your final score on the leaderboard. So make sure that you get into the top 10 here. And also, obviously, that we enjoy your presentation and you get voted on. We have some amazing judges again this season from the regional DAOs. And this time, I'm very excited to announce that Olisa from Sovereignty has also added a 200 Celo rewards pool for the projects with the highest votes. So you can not only win the votes, but also additional rewards from a 200 Cello Prize Pool. And yeah, now that I did my little introduction and convinced everybody to sign up to Proof of Ship, I don't want to take more time, and I want to give the stage to the builders, and we're gonna start with Andrew, who has one of the top projects. Andrew is amazing because he is collaborating with a lot of proof of ship projects and has supported them with their user research in the last months. Andrew, what successful collaborations did you do this month?
Right. I think we partnered with Minilend, and we also did something with Expendi, but they're on base. So that was good for this month. Yeah.
Yeah, they also applied for proof of ship, so they are also exploring Cello.
Also, yeah.
And yeah, nice. Do you want to start your presentation?
Yes, please. Okay. Hi guys, thank you for this chance. Welcome to Canvassing. So Canvassing is a project that delivers microtasks which are rewarded in different tokens. And we have a DApp, and the DApp is the one that you see on the side. So ideally, you just sign in with Google, you link a withdrawal method. So this can either be MiniPay or Good Wallet, or any other Ethereum wallet that's Good Dollar verified. Then you complete your profile, then you claim your achievements. So for this particular proof of ship, we got 2 more paid researches, and we completed 3 tasks, and we grew to 1K plus downloads on the Play Store. And as our part, and as one of the projects in the Good Builders program, we added Good Wallet, so that we make it easier for people to be exposed to this wallet that they can claim UBI and they can access right on the home screen. And yeah, so like you can see, personally I have an account and I can always claim every day, and I can claim from within the app that we built. So for season 8, we plan to get more paid researchers. We deliver 2 more tasks. We have about 500-ish completed participants, so we want to keep growing that number. A completed participant is someone who's gone through the whole process. We have verified humanness, etc. And we also want to integrate Good Dollar engagement rewards. So this is part of our partnership with or our participation in the Good Builders program. So you guys, thank you so much. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the many people who are testing our DApp, the devs, the people who are crypto natives. And we hope to see you in Proof of Ship 8. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Thank you so much. That's amazing updates. So excited for you. Yeah, I can't wait to see this grow. If you're a Proof of Ship project and you're like exploring, you're interested in growing and really improving your business idea, your project, like your app, reach out to Andrew, and he will help you get amazing feedback from users. Okay.
Amazing.
Thank you.
Just
so
a quick
much.
question, Andrew. Did you register for Cello Camp?
Yes, I did. We're waiting for interviews. Fingers crossed.
Okay. Nice.
That's great.
Okay.
Hope that goes through.
Nice.
Amazing. Very lovely. Cool. Congratulations, Andrew. And next up is Vladimir. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm doing good.
Great.
Thank you. I will share my screen.
Please do.
Okay. 1 second. Sharing. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. I will present a video that I have, and I will just explain the video.
Okay, perfect.
It's a little long. It's 2 minutes 50 seconds. If I have to stop, I will try to stop.
Yeah, maybe you can make it a bit quicker or faster, or only show like.
Okay, yeah. I just wanted to say that there are 3 new things. The user interface was improved. There's finally a first game. The name of this project is Learn Through Games, but it didn't have games. For that reason, Lena didn't remember. Now I hope everybody will remember because it has the first game. So this is the presentation of how it looks when you go to the English session, English section. If you connect your wallet, you will be able to see more courses, more lessons you have to sign. Well, this is the signing process. After you sign, you will see like this. You will see at least 3, and if you go to one of them, especially the first one is the one that is already completed. Each course has guides. If you go to the first guide, it has content, but now it has this: solve a puzzle. So it has some questions. These questions can be answered by playing this game, by solving this crossword puzzle. And it's still not so much responsive, but it works in anyway in phones also. But in this moment, especially, is for desktop. So I'm here is an example of how it looks when you in a puzzle that is easy to solve. I made an example of a puzzle of just 2 questions. If you make a mistake, it will tell you. Well, it's connecting again because this in this demo it was in the development side. So you can type the letters of the first question. The facial verification of good dollar expires every 6 months, and the other is UV means universal. But of course, if you make a mistake, it will tell you in what word is your mistake when you submit the answer. In the word number 2, then you can correct, and it will tell you that it's a perfect answer. And we already have the smart contract to release points when someone completes the challenge. It's still not connected to the interface. Here I'm showing that in the sources of the application, in hard hat in contracts, you can find it, and it's the first version. We have to improve it. The idea of this contract is that if someone donates for a lesson, this donation, 80% of this donation will go will be shared among the students who passed the puzzle. Each guide has a puzzle, and if a person makes a puzzle right, then it will receive some coins. That's the idea. And now it's first game. I'm very glad to have to present that now.
Nice. Congratulations on your first game. It would be great if you could show that in mobile view. I assume most people that will do this visit this app will visit it through mobile. So like if you can present this on mobile and just show how the user experience is.
Blessings told me that.
Amazing. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. And next up is Gideon. Are you here? I don't think Gideon is here. And Isaac, it's you already. Are you ready? I think let's move to the next person, and then we will see if Isaac is ready next time. Giloko, are you ready?
Yeah. Hello. Can you hear me?
Nice. How? Yeah, I know you have amazing updates because like I know you still got to work a lot on your app, but you also did some travels this month. So give us the quick update and then do a very quick, maybe just share the updates of this month. And if there's anything you want to share, like in a demo, that's fine, but you can also just share
So
what you've been up to last month.
Play the video in the back and then give updates.
Yeah.
So it's been a very eventful last few months, I guess. I haven't been on the show for about the last 2, I guess. I missed the last one. So I've been to China to do a little research on suppliers, and we managed to secure a very good supplier, very popular supplier, but hard to reach. And I found them in a very chance occasion. I was just driving by and I noticed the factory was a company of a name I recognized. So I stopped by and I had a chat with them, and we were able to secure a very good price to sort of reach our quotas for sales. So basically we we need to get suppliers to offer us a certain price for our business model to work. And I think we're able to secure that. Aside that, I've been trying to change the whole face of our front end where the community finance platform is, basically to try and make it more compliant to regulations, because we are registered in the US, and the way we plan to raise funds, you need certain things to be able to be compliant. So we changed the whole onboarding process where you have to link your email address to your wallet address and your phone number as well. We have this fancy OTP verification that we do. We also integrated self, and now you could basically either manually verify yourself, or you could use your self passport to get through KYC and start purchasing some fractions. We're currently raising to secure the first batch of vehicles, and that's about 27 vehicles. Hopefully by the end of November, December, we'll have a fresh new batch of vehicles, and we could grow from 2 to 27. We are currently making about $504 every month on average since we put the cars on the road in about April. So that's pretty good for us, and we're just hoping to see that move from 2 and the scale sort of move towards 10, 27 to 100 and move on from there. Thank you.
Yeah, if you get that, amazing. Yeah, very excited for the new batch of vehicles and you scaling your operations. Now you did your proof of concept, and now you can. Amazing. Congratulations. Did you already recover from your jet lag?
No, to be honest, I still haven't had enough time to rest. I just came back from our partners in Kasua, because there was a little bug with the app. I did a little domain migration to Cloudflare, and I lost some security credentials, so they couldn't access the member platform to make payments. So I just had to go there and figure out what exactly the problem was, so I could rectify it and receive a few payments. So yeah, I've cleared the backlog of payments, and that's also good. Maybe after this call, I can rest finally.
I hope so. You are on mandatory rest. Just a little shout out or a call out. Kiloko is also looking for some a new co-founder eventually, or so if you think this is a great some co-founders. So if you really like that project and the idea and want to work with a very skilled developer, then make sure to reach out to Kiloko. Thank you so much for joining today, and please.
Thank you for the
time. That's the only task for this weekend.
Rest. I'll try to get to some rest, I promise.
Nice. Cool. Next up, we can Isaac. How are you? How's Lena going?
Oh, Lena is cool. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
All right, great. It's been an hectic month actually. So I'll start sharing my screen now. Okay, I just share entire screen. Okay, please. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, all right, great. I don't have much to share, but I'm going to be sharing a few things we've done in the past few weeks, and we've been able to achieve a couple of stuffs. But one of them is we're proud to integrate Ceph protocol to be able to verify users on our system. Then we also implement alternative verification method, because we receive information that some of our users were not able to verify themselves using Ceph protocol. So we added the alternative verification method. So I'll be showing that in this video. So here you can see I access my profile, and if I scroll down, you can see from here user can be able to select whichever method they want to use for verification, either through Ceph or they want to use wallet. So these options are available for users in our system. So to fast track that, we're also able to verify our smart contracts on the minute. This is an achievement personally that I am proud of, because for a while we've not been able to do that, and we were able to verify a couple of smart contracts on the Celo minute. And so basically, if you can see from here, okay, I think I was sharing that. Okay. Okay. All right. Back to Lena.
Okay.
So that's all we have for Lena for now. So I don't know if it's okay to present the second project, but thank you for watching.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I mean, I think for the verification methods, you should definitely consider using also integrating with GoodDollar. I think it's a good alternative if people can't verify themselves.
We actually working on that.
Okay, perfect, amazing.
Thank you.
Great news. Okay, perfect, cool. Thank you so much. Next up, Papa, you just joined in time. Are you ready? Are you ready to present your UI updates after we tested? Like we asked you for a long time to do that. Are you ready to present your new UI? Or
I'm always ready. See everything.
You're always ready. Okay. That is true. When it comes to presenting, you are truly ready.
No, but hang on. I have two projects. I have 2 minutes, right?
You have 2 minutes. You can present one project in each minute.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so first project is called the Ghiblify 8, right? And I'm actually going to put the video that I sent.
Okay, so it's basically so what are you doing in this app? You're basically giving people access to OpenAI, creating their Ghibli image, but without having to book OpenAI. You're providing them with that, and you're making money while providing that.
Yeah, precisely. On the back end, there's actually a variety of models that we have the ability to leverage to really fine-tune the kinds of Ghiblis that we want to create. And I'd just like to offer the optionality for users that aren't satisfied with the simple opportunities that are provided by ChatGPT. And actually, as you can see here, so far we've got two. One is provided by Replicate, and one is provided by Comfy UI. One is a bit slower and does some juicy stuff. One is a bit faster and offers, like a different experience. And so, look, what we do here on Celo is we just like to enhance accessibility to these really incredible models. And so, that's what Ghiblify is designed to do. You can jump in, okay, and it's actually also available as a Farcaster mini app. So in a variety of contexts, it just makes it really easy. Of course, we've got here our frequently asked questions. And of course, you can contact me, Papa, at any point in time, should you wish to perambulate around any of the specifics. But as you can see here, within a flash, it turns a rather dubious looking Papa into a superhero character of phenomenal provenance and excitement. And the credit system, you pay with CUSD, and boom, you're in.
I love it. I mean, please share that for the mini app track with Sophia. We would love to promote that also on Celo. I think it's very cool. Thank you so much. And now show in perfect form. What's your update? We all want to see how if we bullied you enough.
If you remember, back in the Stone Ages, we had this really clunky, difficult user interface, right? And here we are. We're starting to really kind of learn from the really wonderful sessions that are hosted by the team, developer experience team at Celo, and we've really been able to harness some of the toolkit that they provided, some of the feedback. Whether it's from proof of ship or otherwise, and really tap in to instruments like Self Protocol, where we can actually verify that these are humans that are interacting with our services, and leveraging our platform here to do exercise, get fit, stay healthy, and actually participate in this on-chain revolution in fitness. And so I'd really encourage those who are whether you're inclined to exercise or not, have a go. Come in, jump in, and have a play here. With it's also available as a Farca Seminary app, and you can get started here. What have I selected? Squats. I mean, I'm in where am I? I'm in a weird place, so I don't know if I can actually do I don't know if I can actually do them. You see, I'm dressed in the CeeLo regalia.
Colors, yeah, that's amazing.
Yeah. You see?
Yeah, I think I don't know if we want to. Yeah, I think we're still good in time. But yeah, I just wanted to say, I was wondering if your app itself is kind of a proof of humanity, because do you think a bot could fake the exercises?
Well, I think the place in which the bots could really come in and take over, it could be the exercises. It could actually be. What we can do once we're here is we can actually just go and take a look at the mini app, so that nobody is confused about how to jump in on them. So of course we'll do it on CeeLo. Bots, they're sneaky, they're crafty. Okay, and so what Self Protocol enables us to do is just enhance our capacity to ensure that any rewards that accrue to those that participate go exclusively to those who are proven human participants. Okay, so firstly, and you can find this in the I need to actually make this URL a little bit nicer, which I will at some point. But here, look, if I'm just gonna pop that there for you, Lena, so that when you have a moment, then you can dive in.
You should do that. Everybody, check out the Celo channel on Farcaster and test out. I think, Papa, your next step should be to onboard users to your platforms. No.
Yeah, I mean, look, that's where we need to really.
You're a Farcaster legend, I think. So you should. Why I'm not. I don't understand why you're having issues onboarding people.
No, we need to work together on that. Okay, if I need to onboard Lena first. I think the last time Lena did a sit-up was about a squat was about 10 years ago in Berlin. She was in Berlin somewhere.
It's at least 10 years ago.
You see,
should do. It was the last time I exercised, to be honest.
If the head honcho of Celo is refusing to dive in, I know I need to work on it more before I try and onboard anyone else. Okay, so those are the issues.
Okay, good. Well, that's your goal for next month. Convince me to get on board. We need to move on. Thank you so much, Papa. As always, amazing presentation. Yes. And very excited. I think with the Ghibli flag, can I give you one feedback? Can you please make this interface less AI and more Ghibli and cute?
Okay.
You can create so many cute stuff. Why are you not doing that? Okay. Well, thank you so much. And see you next month with a very cute interface and a lot of users.
Okay. Yeah. Good idea.
Cool. Nice. See you. Next up we have Gistro. From Colombia. Hi, Gistro. How are you?
Hi. Good. You? How are you?
I'm good. We are good. We're having fun. No, I always get in a good mood when I have these showcases. So doing really good. Do you want to share your screen?
Yeah, I tried to share it. So.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, I'm gonna be pretty quickly. So we have new updates and here a lot of feedback around SQL Wrapper, and one of these is adding more chains to be on the point, Optimism and Avalanche chains to the SQL Wrapper ecosystem. So right now is a little update. We optimize some things because in the front end part we are a little bit slower compared to another dApps. So we have a enhance or our timeline, and that's it. It's just the new updates, and we hear a lot of feedback around SQL Wrapper. And if you try it, we can DM those to us and added new things around the SQL Wrapper.
Okay, cool. Nice. Yeah, I think my main question here is who is using it right now? Where do you see the use case for people? Because as I understand, you enable people to bridge CCOP to other chains. And then what is the goal for you? Like, what did users use that for? What is your idea for users to use those wrapped CCOP on different chains?
Okay, perfect. First of all, mostly in the DeFi side, most people wants to use CCOP around their favorite protocols in Base Hard Return Optimism and Avalanche. So we enable that possibility to bake DeFi around those chains. And the second of all, is more than a maximalist style. So most people.
Okay. CCOP needs to be everywhere now.
Yeah, CCOP needs to be everywhere right now. And in the first part is more onboarding to Celo. So if you try CCOP around Base on Arbiter and Optimism and Avalanche, it's like, okay, I love CCOP. And you see is in Celo. It's a good part to onboard people to the Celo ecosystem.
Nice. I love it. Thank you so much. Yeah, will be super interesting to see how people use it, I think, on other chains. And if you help with liquidity and creating some pools to incentivize the DeFi activity or something. Very cool. Thank you so much, Distro. And see you soon. Thank you. And next we have Truth. This is your first time with us, no?
Yeah, hello everybody.
Welcome. Great to have you here. I really liked your project. So feel free to just introduce yourself a little bit and your project quickly. I know the invitation came a bit spontaneous, so no worries if you don't have a walkthrough, but you can just share what you built and what your goal is for the roadmap is for the next month.
Okay, so we are building Gerota. This is actually my first time building on Celo. Yeah, so let me share the pitch deck so I can walk it. So what we are building, I'm coming. Let me share my screen. So what we are building on Gerota is we are building a system whereby users we have people who stream music or stream video media content, but they are not getting incentivized for it. You understand? And another thing about the music industry and let's take for example content creation is that it is very difficult for new artists or new creators to get noticed and to get their content out there. So we are building a system, we are building a platform whereby we will give voice to all this. We'll give voice to new creators and new musicians, and they will have dedicated fan. So this is not only for new creators and new musicians. Well-established musicians who can be on the platform. So we have this. So we have artist and creator. So the way this will work is that we have campaigns. So we have campaigns. What this campaign will do is that a certain amount of money will be allocated for a campaign. So when you stream as a user, you get part of this. You get part of this fund. So we are doing this to distribute the fund. We are using smart contract on Celo to distribute funds. So this is part of the things that we've had where an artist or creators can launch campaign. So this is not only an artist that can launch campaign, anybody can launch campaigns on behalf of their favorite artist. Yeah. So
Okay. Yeah, very interesting model. I think I saw your smart contracts, and they look quite interesting. So looking forward for you to like build the first prototype around that.
yeah. So we're looking to onboard a lot of people. So we are starting from Africa, focusing on content creators in Africa and musicians in Africa. So what we have built so far, we've built the landing page. So we have the landing page here. This is what we built for Proof of Shape 7. We did the Figma design both for the mobile application because it will be a mobile application. It will be a mobile app, and we have the landing page here. We also we've worked on the smart contract also. This is the factory contract because for each campaign, when a creator creates a new campaign, the fund is stored in a smart contract. We are not the one keeping the fund, so we are doing this like the decentralized way because the fund will be in a smart contract, and at the end of the campaign, the fund will be distributed to eligible users. So we have the contract here. The contract is already verified on Celloscan, and it is on mainnet. And
Perfect.
yeah,
That's amazing,
Really,
man.
really cool.
Yeah, that's a cool project, especially catering for the creative economy. I think that's like a huge untapped market that you are heading for. I think it's something that's going to bring a lot of transactions and volume within the ecosystem as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Really looking forward to your updates next month. Very excited for this project.
Yeah, so for next month, for the next Proof of Shape, what we are planning on doing now is we want to finalize the mobile application, build it and connect it to the smart contract. And if possible, we'll run like a test. We'll do this with we've done like interviews with local artists, some local artists that we know. So once we have like the first stage of the mobile application ready, we'll reach out to some artists. We have some that we'll reach out to and they will turn up, but we'll still reach out to more artists so they can create campaigns and users can do this campaign and get incentivized for it.
Nice. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
And see you next month. Very excited to see the mobile application.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you so much. We have Christian. Hi. How are you? How is CPD?
Hello. It's still under a lot of stress, but I am doing my best. This is also my first time here. I put up a little presentation if that is okay.
Nice, yeah.
So just let me share my screen. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I will just try to summarize a little bit of the product. So we have built CPG. It's an FX-powered CPG punk product where this is built actually for Colombian users to lock their CCOPs and to some stable coins. For example, CUSD, CRU, and CGBP. I mean, the main problem, in our opinion, that Colombians need a platform where they can access the FX markets. It's really hard at the moment. And also that they can invest some money without getting out a lot of procedures. That is what CPG is going to solve. And we are also planning to add some API investment stuff as well, which is also very low at the moment for the traditional investments. So we have built CPG for season 6, and there we have had CEURO and CUSD implemented. We have added CGBP for season 7 this month, and they also added the Espanol language for the Colombia users. So this product is going to aim for the users, and also the Tukop wallet integration. And we are still using the self protocol, of course. This is already implemented. I can show you in a second. So all the verified users can use the app. And we have started already to create the fixed terms, which is going to add fixed APYs, whoever is going to log their CCOPs during a longer period of times. This is not yet implemented, and I believe that this is the core features we have to add before we can launch the app to the public. But we are already working on that, so I hope for season 8 or next season, or maybe in October, we will be ready with it. You can see a page here where you can see how is your pig going. You can see the 3 stable coins at the moment, whether it's a safe or a standard mode. And here you can see the season 7 improvements. We also added, as I mentioned previously, we added the CGPP support. So this is the newest stablecoin. It's required a bit more heavy task for us because Mento doesn't provide instant swaps. We have to do multiple swaps in order to get CGBP, but we were able to finally get it off in the end. We also added the developer fee integration. So like if somebody has some money earned after he's getting out their piggies, 1% is going to get to the developer address. And we also know that we have to improve our UX, but that is going to come after we have finished with our APYs. You can see the future plans here. I already mentioned these, so stay tuned for the next season. If you want, if you still have a little time, I can show the app how it works, but I don't know if I'm out of time on that.
I think we have to move on. I just wanted to say I really love the app, and I know the Mento team also really loved it. I think it's a really cool idea of people not having to. I think the goal when creating any kind of application is to make it as simple as possible for the user, right? And like the user just, I tested it. It was really seamless. Like you just deposit your currency and then it just diversifies your portfolio, which is super helpful, like for inflation, but it's also. So I really love it. I love like how you personalize it with the CPiggy. I think it's a very cool product. So really looking forward to your updates next month.
Thank you very much.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for joining and showing this today. And yeah, I think definitely keep sharing with the community for them to test and give feedback. And
yes, we definitely do. Thank you very much, Lena.
Thank you so much, Ethan. And then we have Jordan. Hi, Bitbeamer.
Hi,
it's really crazy. This month we had like at least 3 or 4 projects that were just focused on health insurance projects. So I'm wondering, do you think the tech now reached a point where it's like it finally can be used for health, like creating this kind of product?
Yeah. On Wednesday, I was on a call talking about on-chain policies, not just for health, but also for regulation and taxation. Yeah. And I think we are at that point where we can be able now to just talk about it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I love it. Super interesting. Just one feedback. I would never put blockchain-powered health insurance. I wouldn't write that. For like, if you want to onboard Web2 users, just like leave that out. But yeah, very excited. Please introduce Bitbeamer. Bitbeamer.
Yeah, it's Bitbeamer.
The name.
Beamer is insurance.
Let's just be Beamer. Let's remove the bit. It's like okay, we don't have to. Beamer is nice. I think Beamer is smooth. Bitbeamer is
sure.
Okay, awesome.
Because I think the technology has gotten so good that we don't need to include Bitcoin anymore.
Yeah. Awesome.
Yeah. I would think it's like a very financial app when I would hear the bit, because then I'm like, something with Bitcoin. But yeah.
Okay. Awesome.
Sorry, we're gonna stop.
So Bitbima is a health insurance policy where you can be able to like at least be able to buy micro policies for your health insurance. The challenge or the problem came about a few weeks ago. Actually, this month in Kenya, we've been having issues whereby we have fake hospitals receiving health insurance claims. So I thought, and I took the challenge to kind of try and build something that can be able to maybe counter that. Yeah. So apart from just solving the bigger issue, it's solving the people who cannot be able to like purchase expensive policies. Yeah. So on the dashboard, we have so at the moment I've only purchased one cream, and one of the claims. So I bought a policy of so let me go to my policies. So I bought a policy of like 5 CUSDs. I bought 5 CUSDs, and then when I was doing testing, I created a doctor who would claim for that policy. So this is the current pending. So this one is waiting for approval. So I have 2 smart contracts. So I have the risk. I have the claims smart contract, where all the claims that go there. So where we have all the claims, where you can be able to like see all the contract balance from the claims contract. You can be able to see the total policies that have been able to purchase and the total claims that has been made. Then I have the plans contract. So for the plans, we have like the basic contract, the basic policy, which starts from 0.5 CUSD to which you can be able to like contribute monthly, and premium and platinum policy. And then we have where doctors can be able, you can be able to like authorize a specific doctor to be able to initialize these claims, to claim for the, if they have treated you, if they've done anything, they can be able to claim. Yeah, so these are some of the authorized doctors. Yeah, so far that is what we have. It was basically more of like an MVP to be able to see whether it's something which can be able to work, and to let the idea out there. And yeah, so on the Kamagap, I have like a list of some of the milestones that would be really awesome to like continue integrating things like safe protocol, where you can be able to encrypt the end-to-end data, because when the doctors are uploading the claims, the receipts and proof of medical care given to you, I'm uploading the documents on IPFS. So we need to still also like encrypt this data so that it doesn't go to the wrong hands. Yeah.
Yeah, I can imagine, especially when you work with anything health, that you just need to use a lot of encryption and privacy data. So yeah, and like I think also like very interesting will be how you're solving, like you're saying like doctors can be authorized, but I feel like there needs to be kind of like a committee that approves those claims, or any kind of like when there's like a dispute and so on. So yeah, looking forward. I think next time it would be really interesting to just see like a graphic of how that would look like for somebody like applying, and like how the architecture looks like of this, because it's a bit more complex, right? But yeah, really cool. Thank you so much. Looking forward to seeing you building that out.
Yeah.
Blessing.
And then on that note, Edzion is also on Play Store.
Exion is on the Play Store. Amazing.
Yeah.
So, okay, just like share what's Exion. Just like give us a very quick update to Exion. What is Exion? What can do people do with it? And share the link for people to test it.
Okay. So Edzion is a finance app where you can be able to like do your crypto payment using the mobile money platform directly without having to like go through a lot of exchanges and such. Yeah.
Okay.
So
it's
here is
now okay. Just a little disclaimer here. If anybody who is in Ghana has any app that I should test out in Ghana, if it's like on and off ramps and stuff, happy to do that. I tested something yesterday and it did not. I wanted to pay something with Momo and I couldn't. So send me all of your apps to test out in Ghana. Please. And yeah, test out Exion. It's now in the Play Store. So that's very cool. Thank you, Jordan. And we will have up next. Yes, the link. I will just quickly highlight it. And then we have Johnston. How are you doing? I couldn't post this link to the Google Play Store. Wait, oh, it's fine. We lost Johnston. But Emiri, I know you are ready. How is MGM? You have a lot of users now, no? Like you have some users, you have some transactions. How is Isuzu going? How are you scaling it? What's your current focus?
Well, we are just trying our best to increase our user count by the day and also encourage them to keep on using the platform. So that comes with other set of constraints because I have a partner now there with me and we have some updates that we are scared of pushing so that by the time we push it and then you understand those kind of production based development, right? So we're talking about how to simplify the onboarding process, and we're thinking of maybe third web, wallet money, and those kind of stuff.
I mean, third web would be good to test out this coming month, because you have you can get access to like the growth plan, and then you can.
Yes, last month we actually tried wallet money, but we think we're going to move to third web. Thanks to the credits that are given to us. So let me just go straight to the presentation and say more along as I present. So this is Isuzu where we save as a community and grow as one. And as you know, we are around so many issues behind maybe inflation, the devaluation of currencies in a lot of African countries, as well as the decline in savings culture, which is also precipitated by recession and all those kind of financial downturns. So that is why we are building Isuzu, a platform that has 3 products. The first product being a system where users can come and time lock their savings. We also have the community savings feature where users can come together and pool resources and then share as time goes on. So for the last month in Proof of Ship, we implemented the use of Good Dollar for payment of utilities on both our mini app and our mini pay app version and the Farcaster version of our app. We also implemented the very simple smart contracts to help track our user counts and also improve our backend by adding the schema layer and data layer. And they also added some notification services for SMS and all those stuff. Like I was trying to explain before, we've not fully pushed all this into the production part, but it's just on one branch of our code. And I think over the last month, our code base actually almost more than doubled because of a lot of integrations we're doing. So, and we've also been able thanks to the support stream and Good Dollar, we've also been able to increase the number of users that we have. So for now, what we are looking at is to work on the smart contract part. We've gotten the first quote for the smart contract audit, but the price was quite scary. So we are looking for alternatives and to make sure that we get the best of value that we're paying for. And yeah, basically that's all. Yeah, I was trying to simulate how to make a transaction and pay with a Good Dollar. And then currently now we're offering about 10% discount when you buy utility service and pay for utility using Good Dollar token. So that is the update we have from this end, and we hope that by next month we'll have some more updates to give. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Imi. I was muted. Yeah, looking forward to seeing Isuzu grow. I think you reach a stage where I hope, same as for canvassing, by the way, that you're gonna like not be part of proof of ship longer, but move up to proof of impact and really, scale your product. Even though I really enjoy having you here always and sharing your updates because it's very exciting.
Are you trying to say we should leave proof of ship or what? I don't understand what you just said.
I'm just saying you're ready. You're ready to graduate.
Okay.
You know, like you need to grow, to fly. I need to let you
proof of ship will be important to us anytime we need it. We remain here. All right.
Okay. Thank you so much, Imi. See you next month. Johnston, are you ready? We can't hear you. No, unfortunately not. Because Miniland won the mentor track last month, so I was looking forward to all of your updates because obviously you're having a very cool app, but no, I think you're unmuted, but we can't hear you unfortunately. So yeah, maybe you have to join again. Yeah, it's probably okay. That's fine. Make sure to check out Miniland. It's a very cool platform. It's a very cool approach using Mentor stablecoins, and we are looking forward to the updates. Just wanted to quickly also share. Let me just share my screen because I wanted to just share. Okay, the current status of the campaign. There's 20 minutes left to vote. We have Silurian on the first position, Faucet Drops, who have the highest transaction count, I think, this month. We have Snackles, Odysseus' new app. We have Isuzu, Three Wheeler Bike Club, Sovereign Sea, and Yield Maker. I was hoping to invite them today, but they're not ready yet. They had technical issues, but it's a cool project. Learn Through Games and Movie Meter and Simplify on 10th position. Just a reminder, when this counts also towards your final builder score being in the top 10 of this leaderboard. So make sure to promote your project and have people voting for you. If you really like one of the presentations or if you just want to check out the projects and vote for your favorite project, make sure to do that. You have 20 minutes left. I will also share the link under the live stream. So you can just click that and vote for your favorite project. You can vote now also with Mentor stable tokens, which is very cool. And yeah, I'm not sure if Johnson, are you ready to talk? Otherwise, it's fine, and you just give us updates in the next month. We are already 10 minutes over 3, but we learned from the past, so we always have like a little bit extra time for the community voting because we know people are late, and we always take some more time for the presentations. Yeah, otherwise, just make sure you check out Miniland. It's a very cool project. And then I will move over here. Blessing, what was your favorite project? Today.
My favorite project is still the 3-wheeler. I think that's a great project. Yeah. I'll probably file in my application for co-founder since it's looking for a co-founder. But yeah, I really like that concept because it really touches to what his community is facing, you know. So I like that user-specific projects. Yeah.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah. Same.
Favorite presentation is always Papa.
Papa wins every time. Do you think Papa did like a speaker, like a course on how to do a great presentation, and then do you think he paid money to learn that, or you think he is a natural?
What about you? Is it your favorite? Or?
Let me just very quickly go through like who presented. The other update is that, I don't know, Johnson, you can try to speak now. Maybe we can hear you. I love that Andrew is doing all of these campaigns with like the projects, for example, with Miniland. I think that's amazing for like testing his app, for helping other people test their app, and for like really understanding how to like approach this. I'm very excited to see the content creator app grow.
Okay.
Johnston, and yeah, I mean, as always, I agree with you. The 3-wheeler bike club is just a great project. I don't know what else to say. But also really excited for CPG. For seeing, I think it's just like a.
Yeah.
I think a lot of people should check out that app just for the user experience, and they need to clean it. It still needs to be cleaned up, but just like in the way of like approaching how you like what kind of like options you offer to people, I think that makes a lot of sense to have a very clean and simple user experience. And I think that's what like MiniPay is always pushing for. Also, like you don't need to give your users 1 million options of choosing things. Like sometimes it's okay for them to like press one button and they are happy. Like I don't want to spend 5 million years on filling out a form. So like if I don't have to fill out a form, don't give me a form. Like just make me like choose the things that have funny names, and then I choose the one that like has the funniest. So yeah, I like that as well. And then very excited to see how a localized like health insurance solution would look like to like build trust, because I understand like that there's like a huge issue with trust into health insurance, but I think I can imagine building a solution is still quite complex. I think we now have way more toolings with like a lot of the ZK verification, but especially when it comes to like different documents. I mean, we saw it with credentials, for example. Like even if you just verify bank credentials, it's really hard. So very interested in seeing the solutions for that. Johnson, how are you doing? Can you say something? We still can't hear you. If you could tune in with your phone maybe, and then like talk through your phone. I don't know.
Yeah. Or perhaps look at the mic that you're actually connected to. See if you can perhaps change it.
Yeah. But it's fine. Otherwise, we can end this today. I think this was great. Very excited. We saw, I think, around 40 submissions for the mini apps. So be excited for some mini app highlights on Farcaster very soon. We saw a lot of submissions to Self Protocol. They added like a lot of like Europe support right now to their identity solution. Just a reminder for everybody who's new, Self is an identity protocol where you can verify your humanity or some certain identifiers with CK proofs. And just by like registering your passport on your phone without sharing any private data with anyone, which is like, I think one of the most simple solutions that you can have for staying private in the internet and still have like kind of regulating access to specific things.
True.
Johnson, can you say something now? Oh, I can't hear myself.
Just a quick one, Lena. What does it mean to graduate from proof of ship? I know you've been
we're gonna release like a roadmap soon, but graduating from proof of ship means proof of ship is really for early stage builders, right? It's like you have your MVP, you're onboarded, like you iterated for 2 months. Now go and like find your users, find product market fit, but onboard users, because you can't find product market fit without onboarding users and like without scaling. So, and for scaling, I think there's other, obviously everybody is welcome in proof of ship, and you can always receive personalized feedback and community support. So like nobody should ever leave if they feel this is the right community for them. I'm just saying there's like more programs for more advanced projects in the ecosystem that they can check out, like proof of ship, the incentive streams. Stellar Public Goods will launch a lot of new initiatives. Understanding how to launch your own token and so on. So
okay.
Yeah. Johnson, you still want to try that? Oh yeah. Like
no, I just switched to mobile because
okay.
Yeah, you know, and then you can't share your screen on streaming on mobile. I don't know. I think this is gone.
No. It's fine. Next month, you just take your friend's laptop for presentation, or you buy a mic.
I'm gonna buy a new one.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Well, this was really lovely. Congratulations to everybody who is building. Amazing job. Congratulations to the community vote winners that will be decided in 10 minutes. And yeah, keep building, keep shipping, and see you in the next proof of ship. I'm not sure if I was supposed to share anything else. No, it's just sign up for next proof of ship, and you will see the QR code when this live stream ends. Bye-bye.
Bye.